Hello everyone, this is Ruben from GetVoIP.com, and on today's Provider Spotlight series, we're featuring cloud communication provider Jive Communications. And we're actually going live, shooting directly out of Orem, Utah. Joining us today is VP of Product for Jive, Cameo Doran. How are you, Cameo?
I'm very good. How are you, Ruben?
Excellent, thank you. Glad to be here. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for making some time, and we look forward to learning a little bit more about Jive Communications. First question we had here for you is, how did Jive get started?
We started out as a small group of custom developers in a very successful custom dev shop, and we couldn't find anybody to provide us a good phone system. And so we built our own, and we built it in the cloud, and that was kind of unheard of at that time, and it worked really, really well for us. And our customers coming to us for software said, hey, we need phone systems too. And we started building them for them, and we really broke into the cloud in a really organic way. And so all of our DNA is in providing VoIP in the cloud. We've been doing it since day one, and it's been amazingly successful for us.
Great, thank you. What is something consumers may not know about Jive as a company?
Jive is amazingly customer oriented. It kind of drives everything that we do, and so we care really deeply about the kind of experiences that our customers are going to have.
Okay.
We try really hard to remove the barriers for people being able to do business with us and for people being able to support themselves. It's one of the beauties of the cloud is that people can get up and running really, really easy. And we try and support that in everything that we do.
Great. In which area of your company do you expect to see the most growth, let's say in the next 12 to 18 months?
We're really excited about a lot of the innovations that we're working on inside of our product, and we really think it's going to drive a ton of growth in some of our most niche markets. We have a great presence inside of education, we have a great presence inside of government, and we're really excited about the features and the functionality that we're able to provide those customers that nobody else has.
Where exactly does Jive fit into the market right now, and what would you say separates you from your competitors?
Our ease of use of our interfaces is really heads and shoulders above what anybody else has. Our user interfaces are really designed from the ground up to make it super simple for people to be able to manage their systems. And nobody else is doing that. When you compare our UI side by side to any of our competitors, you're going to find just a much better experience and just a lot easier system to use.
Who would you say is Jive's ideal customer? Is it the small business market, the midsize, or the enterprise?
Right now, we're really excited about the work that we're doing for the enterprise. We're building some really great features that are focused on the enterprise. But one of the things that I think is really exciting is how can we gear those enterprise level features to the small business and offer them to the small business at the same price point as the rest of our system. None of our competitors do that. Mostly if you want something extra, you're going to pay extra, and we want to offer our customers more, and it's just very exciting to think of offering enterprise functionality to small businesses without charging them and nickel and diming them.
Absolutely, makes sense. How would you explain your customer experience model?
Our customer experience model is based around the concept of removing obstacles. People have jobs that they're trying to do, and they need a software provider that gets out of their way. That's a core tenet of our customer service model. So from the minute a customer starts doing business with one of our salespeople, we want to make it easy to do business with us. Okay. We want to make it easy to get set up on Jive. We want to make it easy to contact somebody if you have problems. We want to make it easy to pay bills and to make sure everything's working good. And so that's a core tenet for our customer service model, is making our customers' lives easy and removing the obstacles to doing business.
Can you explain Jive's pricing model for let's say a 5-line phone system?
Yeah, it's very simple. $25 per line. Now, of course,
that's simple.
It is simple. So 5 phones, $25. That's $125. You add some taxes on. If you want to pay for some devices, that could be a little more on top. But our average customer for 5 phones after taxes pays about $185.
Excellent, pretty straightforward. Can you share a tidbit about your company culture here?
I think we have a great company culture.
Okay. Love the color, by the way.
Yeah, I think the color kind of says it. There's a lot of playfulness in our culture from the top down. The company took us all to Las Vegas for a company retreat. It was fun, you know? And then they had an Elvis competition, so choose the best Elvis in the company. So there were 35 Elvises there. I dressed up as Elvis.
Very cool.
I had a beehive hairdo because
Cool.
I'm a girl Elvis. That's the kind of thing that makes this a great place to work. I'm in development and we do these kinds of things all the time.
Can you tell us something about one of Jive's recently announced features or most popular features?
So without a doubt, our most popular feature is our visual dial plan editor. This is where I think we really have raised the bar in the industry on people managing their phone systems. So it's so easy to drag and drop and build your call flows. It's one of the most complex parts of setting up a phone system in the cloud, and we do it so much better than any of our competitors, and it really is what makes our system so easy to use.
Is there anything else you'd like to add as a must-know about your company for potential customers?
I think we are on the forefront of continuing to build a really great system. We are working on so many exciting and innovative things that are really going to have some big impact in the industry. We're so customer focused, and my teams in particular are so focused on trying to build not just new things, but software that addresses the pain points that our customers have, and like I said, just make people's lives so much easier.
Excellent. Can you tell us maybe a little bit more about some of the stuff you have in the pipelines with your dev team? I mean, I saw, I think, 100 developers somewhere here. So if there's anything that you'd like to share about what we can expect to see from Jive, feature-wise.
I could tell you, but I might have to kill you.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding.
I have to get back home to my pregnant wife, so.
I don't want to mess with pregnant wives. I'll just say that the area that we believe that is most exciting is in the unified part of unified communications.
Okay.
Chat applications, video chat applications. We're very excited about how the technology that's developing there, how we're going to be able to be at the forefront of that.
Excellent.
That's all I'm going to say.
Okay. Well, there we have it. Jive Communications in our Provider Spotlight segment. Thank you so much. I think you've really shed tremendous light on Jive, and thank you for the tour. We look forward to further collaborating with Jive, and we look forward to the rollout of some of your new features. Ruben from GetVoIP.com, Cameo.
Thank you.
And we look forward to seeing you guys next time. Thank you.